Just in Miami Airport, and a bit of a rush to get our connecting flight to San Jose in Costa Rica, but I think we made it. Alright, so we made it in time. Oh, that was a rush. So we're just on the bus on our way to the River Puquero, where we're going to be doing some whitewater rafting. So switching to GoPro. National Park. The weather is slightly better today, I think. So we've just got back to the hostel after the whitewater rafting, and it's safe to say the weather is looking great outside.
There's quite a lot of rain.
And we may be able to see some sloths. Fingers crossed.
Yeah, just add that in at the end.
after all this time. Look at this. So we're just going to go for a quick dip in the sea now. Weather is on point at the moment. So the weather's got a lot worse and our room is almost flooded.
There's snakes.
Oh!
The situation has got quite a bit worse. And we've had to evacuate our room upstairs because there is so much water.